You got a mermaid here. You got a girl buried alive. Kaiser Soze. I love these beach walks because they're so easy to edit. Just one shot, one go. This is Santa Marta. Tranquilo, amigo, ahí. Tranquilo.
Santa Marta.
Gracias, señor. Tranquilo. I mean, you do have vendors, but they're not as aggressive as the other places, like obviously Cartagena, Boca Chica, Sosua Beach, you know. It's such a shame because now I'm getting into like the beach vibe. I have to hurry up because the curfew's coming up, you know. The curfew's coming up, and it's at 6, but everything closes at 5, and I got an hour left. Haven't even managed to dive in the water yet or anything like that, you know. That's heaven right there. Oh, heaven is a place on earth. Jeez. Travel shortcuts. Live to live, not live to survive, man. Keep telling you guys, but you don't want to listen. So yeah, I think this is getting more closer to like the family resort style. You know, so yeah, if you guys are bored back home or you want to take your family out somewhere different, you can bubble along and come to Santa Marta. This ain't no seedy beach. You ain't gonna get no hooker coming up to you or loud or anything like that. This is paradise. We started the beach walk over here and now we're gonna end over here, and it's just nothing but paradise. And like I said, it's more of a local, authentic feel. We got little kids here. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go up that. I'm gonna do a lovely look. Bicycle riders here. So no, todo tranquilo, gracias, señor. So yeah, I think this is like a private area over there, if I'm not mistaken. Actually, no, you can just go around. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna do the beach walk all the way to the other side. Travel shortcut.
Hey, la money.
Next guy, money, money. It's funny, they don't speak English, but they understand how to say money. Next guys, boy. Oh, God, that's ridiculous. I love it. I love it more than Prague. Yeah, there's a couple of backs here, you know, and we're going. Nice tropical paradise. Absolutely, Colombia. The water doesn't really look that deep as well, so that's always good. If you're not too comfortable with your swimming tactics, you can rest assured that the water is not too bad. Elvis back with skinny jeans. Oi, oi. Every now and then do the phone check, make sure everything's there. You know, 50 Cent back alive. So we've already done one side, now we're going to do the other side. Fucking bastard. I've got my things there. Mira, amigo. Mira, yo tengo minhas coisas aqui, ¿dónde está? Yo te voy a mostrar aquí, tú aquí.
No, acá no.
Bien ahí, caralho.
Seguro ya el otro compañero ya.
¿Dónde, dónde?
Allá el otro compañero.
¿Dónde él?
Allá estoy mucho, nosotros sí en Montenada.
¿O tienen cosas ahí encima?
No, acá no se arrendó todavía. O de pronto el otro baño. Mira, lo están llamando.
Ahí. A minhas coisas. É aí? Mira. Aí. As minhas coisas lá.
Mais adelante.
Ah, outro. Oh. Só estou filmando um pouquinho. Quem quiser ir ou não?
¿Cómo?
Eu necessito ir agora ou não? Tranquilo.
Cierre playa, cierra. Sacan a
Às
todos.
4.
4:30.
Quantos minutos falta?
11.
Foda-se. Aqui, buenas. Porque eu quero andar depois voltar. Ok?
Pero carpa.
Eu quero ir depois voltar.
No, es que lo quitan ahora.
Agora quem que ir?
Lo quitan.
Tranquilo?
Esto lo quitan ahora. Tiene que llevarse las cosas y caminar.
sorry guys, I'm only doing this at this time. The sun's gone a bit down, but you can still kind of get a sense of what we're doing here and how it is to come to Santa Marta and enjoy the earthly delights. You know, you can still get a lovely feel how it's like, you know. And so far so good, I have to admit. So far so good. Get okay, wah wah wah.
Wow.
Something in here. Big wolf on campus. Big ass on campus. I think that's it, guys. Down there it's a bit of a distance. It just seems like not much to see. Here's pretty much where it's at. So I'm just going to do one more hurrah for you guys, and I'm going to go and get a little drink before the bloody curfew. Travel shortcuts. Live to live, not live to survive. You know what time it is, man. Jeez. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Be that man in the mirror. Don't live to impress family, friends, loved ones. I'm not saying ignore them, but just remember that this is your life. So make it count. Do something for you. Excel. Oh my gosh. Ah, flipping water. So cold. So bloody cold. Very good. No, I'm okay. Thank you, sir. It's okay. Thank you. Please, talk to your man. Thank you, sir. Mira, please. Otro bien.
For my tour, my friend.
No quiero, amigo.
Cartier, different model.
I know. Very, very expensive, eh?
Mama yo, Papa yo, Sister yo.